All right, working on the R34 here, doing an oil change. Looks pretty black, like it hasn't been changed in a while. So maintenance on it, just make sure it's good. Gonna change the DET fluid as well, and then the transmission fluid at a later date. Change the differential fluid. It was actually pretty good looking and looked like it just been changed, but just for the peace of mind and knowing now exactly when it was changed, what kind of oil, just went ahead and changed it anyways once I saw that it was still good. But fluid with Royal Purple 75W90. Got this cool little pump here. Pretty easy to do with this. So. All right, guys, just finished up. So now it's dripping brand new Royal Purple. About to close it up. I had to take the exhaust down a little bit to get to the bolt, but that's good now. The Nismo oil filter on back down there. Can't really see it. About to put the oil in.
Let's see, N-A-T-T-Y?
Yeah. Going with the 10W60. I've heard many reviews about the 5W40, 5W30, 10W60. I actually went to the Nissan shop just to go get the oil filter, and they had the 10W60 sitting there, so I just went with this, and we'll see how it goes. So, let you guys know. Another quick mod before I finish up. I'm gonna put these Nismo side markers in through the side here, so see how these look afterwards. Before these nasty faded looking ones. So the before looks like crap, but